Common things. House.
House. I live in a big house with my family.
Car.
Car.
He drives an expensive car. Bicycle.
Bicycle. I ride my bike in the park.
Book.
Book.
I like to read a book in bed. Pen.
Pen. I use a pen to write at school.
Notebook.
Notebook.
I write and draw in my notebook. Backpack.
Backpack. I carry my books in a backpack.
Watch.
Watch.
I wear a watch to tell the time. Computer.
Computer. I use a computer to play games.
TV.
TV.
I often watch TV. Glasses.
Glasses. My grandmother wears glasses.
Shoes.
Shoes.
I sometimes wear yellow shoes. Wallet.
Wallet. I have money in my wallet.
Key.
Key.
This key opens my front door. Mobile phone.
Mobile phone. I use my mobile phone to text and send emails.
Headphones.
Headphones. I put on my headphones to listen to music.
Umbrella.
Umbrella.
I always take my umbrella when it rains. Passport.
Passport.
We need a passport to travel. Hat.
Hat. I wear a hat on sunny days.
Bottle of water.
Bottle of water.
I drink water from a bottle.